My name is Dr. David Miller. For over 25 years, I've worked with thousands of men across the United States, and I've learned one simple truth. A man's strength doesn't disappear after 40. It just falls asleep. Many men tell me, "Doctor, I don't feel like myself anymore. I still exercise, I eat right, but that spark, that sharp energy, that quiet confidence, it's gone." I understand that feeling. I've seen it in the eyes of countless patients, and sometimes even in the mirror myself. If you've ever felt that way, stay with me for the next few minutes, because I want to tell you a story, one that might just be your story too. A few years ago, a man named Mark walked into my office. He was 46, fit, successful, but his eyes told a different story. He said, "Doctor, I wake up tired. I'm losing focus at work, and my motivation, it's fading." His blood tests were normal. His diet was clean. So what was missing? Then I asked him, "When was the last time you truly rested? Not your body, but your mind?" He smiled softly and said, "I don't remember, doctor." That was the turning point, because health is not just about numbers or muscles. It's about flow, the way your body, mind, and purpose connect. So we rebuilt his routine. Less pressure, more presence. He began to eat real food again, to move with intention, and to breathe like life mattered. Within weeks, his energy returned, not just in his body, but in his spirit. After 40, as many people say, fatigue is normal. But what if the secret to lasting energy lies in a simple root? Beetroot? Mark, 47, came to me feeling drained. He started adding beetroot juice to his mornings, and within weeks, his stamina, in focus, returned. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates. These compounds improve blood flow, deliver oxygen to muscles, and help your body produce more natural energy. Drink one small glass of beet juice in the morning, or mix it with carrot and apple for a smoother taste. Avoid overdoing it. One serving is enough. Sometimes the smallest changes bring the biggest difference. Start your day with beetroot. Your body will thank you. Have you tried it yet? I often tell my patients, if you want your body to age slower, start with what swims in cold water. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, your brain and heart's best friends. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, keeps your blood flowing smoothly, and even sharpens your memory. I once had a patient who replaced red meat with grilled salmon 3 times a week. Within months, his energy and focus came back. So, if you're over 40, make fatty fish part of your week. Your heart, your mind, and your future self will thank you. Sometimes the strongest medicine hides in the simplest form. Black garlic is one of them. When garlic is aged for weeks under the right heat and humidity, it transforms, becoming rich in antioxidants and S-allylcysteine. The light helps your body fight oxidative stress, supports the heart, and fuels your cells with cleaner energy. I had a patient who added just 1 clove of black garlic a day. His blood pressure dropped and his morning fatigue disappeared. Don't underestimate what nature refines in silence. 1 small clove of black garlic can quietly change your vitality. Most people see chocolate as a guilty pleasure, but real dark chocolate, 70% cacao or more, is a medicine in disguise. Rich in flavonoids, it improves blood flow, lowers inflammation, and even enhances brain function. Just 1 or 2 small squares a day can lift your mood and protect your heart. I once recommended dark chocolate to a stressed patient. 2 weeks later, his blood pressure was down and his smile was back. Don't fear the bitterness. In nature, healing often hides in what's least sweet. Energy doesn't just come from land. Sometimes the ocean hides the most powerful fuel. Oysters are loaded with zinc, the spark your body needs to produce hormones, repair cells, and boost drive after 40. Shrimp, squid, and scallops bring selenium and vitamin B12, nutrients that sharpen your focus and energize your muscles. One of my patients felt constantly drained. After adding oysters and shrimp twice a week, his energy came roaring back. The ocean gives more than food. It gives balance, vitality, and the strength to begin again. These 5 foods are more than just nutrition. They're nature's way of rebuilding your energy, one system at a time. Beetroot restores your blood flow, fatty fish rebuilds your heart, black garlic defends your cells, dark chocolate calms your mind, and oysters bring your strength back from the sea. Small changes, practiced daily, create lasting vitality. Remember, what you eat today shapes how you feel tomorrow. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who deserves more energy and joy in life. And remember, this content is for educational and lifestyle purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes.